Welcome back to BitcoinDorks. Today, we're diving into the latest development in the world of DeFi, as the DYDX community takes a groundbreaking vote with a staggering $60 million at stake. Let's delve into the details. The DYDX platform, known for its innovative decentralized exchange and margin trading features, has long been at the forefront of the DeFi space. Now, the DYDX community has made headlines once again with a monumental vote that could shape the future of the platform. In a move that highlights the decentralized nature of the DYDX ecosystem, the community recently conducted a vote to decide on a proposal that could outlaw certain activities on the platform. With over $60 million worth of governance tokens at stake, this vote represents one of the largest in the history of decentralized finance. Community governance is a cornerstone of the decentralized finance movement, empowering users to participate in decision-making processes that impact the future direction of DeFi platforms. By allowing token holders to vote on proposals, platforms like DYDX ensure that the interests of the community are represented and that decisions are made in a transparent and decentralized manner. The functionality of the governance vote within the DYDX ecosystem is a critical aspect of its decentralized governance model. This process enables token holders to actively participate in decision-making regarding the future direction of the platform, ensuring that the community's interests are represented and that decisions are made transparently and democratically. The voting process typically begins with submitting a governance proposal by any member of the DYDX community. Proposals can cover a wide range of topics, including protocol upgrades, changes to fee structures, the addition of new features, or adjustments to risk parameters. Once a proposal is submitted, it undergoes discussion and scrutiny within the community to ensure it aligns with the platform's goals and values. During this time, community members can ask questions, raise concerns, and provide feedback on the proposal before the voting phase begins. When the voting period commences, token holders are given the opportunity to cast their votes in favor of or against the proposal. Each token holder's voting power is directly proportional to the number of governance tokens they hold, ensuring that larger stakeholders have a greater influence on the outcome of the vote. The analysis of the outcome of the DYDX community vote holds significant implications for the platform and its stakeholders, shedding light on the collective decision-making process within the decentralized governance framework. As with any governance vote in the DeFi space, the results of the vote are subject to careful scrutiny and interpretation, as they provide valuable insights into the sentiment and preferences of the DYDX community. One key aspect of the analysis involves examining the distribution of votes among token holders and assessing the level of consensus reached on the proposed changes. A high level of participation and agreement among token holders may indicate strong community support for the proposal, suggesting that the proposed changes are widely accepted and aligned with the community's interests. Conversely, a lack of consensus or widespread disagreement among token holders may signal potential issues or concerns with the proposal, prompting further discussion and refinement before it can be implemented. In such cases, the DYDX community may choose to revisit the proposal, address any concerns raised by dissenting voices, and seek to build broader support before proceeding with the proposed changes. The analysis of the vote outcome may involve assessing the potential impact of the proposed changes on the DYDX platform and its ecosystem. This could include evaluating the implications for platform functionality, user experience, risk management, and overall market dynamics. Understanding how the proposed changes may affect various stakeholders, including traders, liquidity providers, and protocol developers is crucial for making informed decisions about the future direction of the platform. The analysis of the vote outcome may involve considering broader market trends and regulatory developments that could impact the DYDX platform and its ecosystem. Changes in market conditions, shifts in user preferences, and evolving regulatory requirements may all influence the outcome of the vote and the subsequent implementation of proposed changes. Expert commentary on the DYDX community vote offers valuable insights into the significance of decentralized governance within the DeFi space and the implications of the vote outcome for the broader ecosystem. Renowned figures within the cryptocurrency and blockchain industry have provided nuanced perspectives on the subject, highlighting key considerations and potential implications for stakeholders. One prominent theme in expert commentary revolves around the importance of decentralized governance in driving innovation and resilience within the DeFi ecosystem. Experts emphasize that decentralized governance models, such as those employed by DYDX, empower users to actively participate in decision-making processes, fostering greater transparency, accountability, and community engagement. By giving stakeholders a voice in governance decisions, platforms like DYDX are able to adapt and evolve in response to changing market conditions, regulatory requirements, and user preferences, ensuring the long-term viability and sustainability of the platform. Experts have stressed the need for robust governance mechanisms and processes to safeguard against potential risks and ensure the integrity of decentralized platforms like DYDX. As DeFi continues to gain mainstream adoption and attract a broader user base, it becomes increasingly important to establish clear rules, procedures and safeguards to protect user funds, mitigate systemic risks, and uphold the principles of decentralization and autonomy. In conclusion, the DYDX community vote represents a significant milestone in the evolution of decentralized finance, showcasing the power of community governance in shaping the future of DeFi platforms. As the cryptocurrency landscape continues to evolve, we'll be here to bring you the latest updates and insights. Until next time, stay tuned to BitcoinDorks for all your crypto news needs. That's it for today, and if you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on cryptocurrency news and market trends.